How to fix GTA 5 application error 0xc0000142. 1. Update GTA 5 to its latest version via Steam Launcher. Like this. 2. Run GTA 5, play gtav.exe at c:\program files /Rockstar Games, default location, as an administrator. 3. Verify and repair game files. 3.1 Steam. 3.2 Rockstar Games Launcher. 3.3 Epic Games Launcher. Ensure your graphics driver is updated. To do so, try using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Play the GTA 5 game in Windows Clean Boot state.